Hey, so I was just looking through some of my seeds and I noticed a package that my daughter had picked up a couple of years ago from a seed library. So a seed library is a lot like a regular book library. In fact, they're often located in libraries. The one that she found was in the library in the town up north of here. And you don't check out the seeds, but they have a variety of seeds, and if there's some you can use, you can take them and you can use them. You can take what you need, you can take the whole pack, and if you have extra seeds or if you have seeds you want to share, you can also donate seeds as well. So my understanding is some of the libraries have a small fee to join them, but the one that she accessed, there was no fee. You could just take what you could use. These seed libraries are located all around the world. So I found a map online that shows some of the seed libraries. I know it does not show all of them because the one that is near us is not located on the map. So first I'm going to show you the map and then you can see if your area is on there. And then I'm going to show you another resource. It's a website that has lots of information about seed libraries. This one you actually have to join if you want more information. But I think they have a more extensive list. And they can also walk you through how to create your own seed library if that's something you're interested in.
The website is called the Seed Library Locator Map. And when you click on that, it's going to bring you to this map. And all of those blue dots are seed libraries around the world. Then if you zoom in on your map, you can click any of those blue dots. And when you do, it will give you more information. It'll give you maybe an email address, specific information about that library. And then the second website is seedlibraries@weebly.com. And when you click onto that, there's information about joining the group as well as newsletters to read down below. I believe if you join the group, you have access to information about all the other seed libraries around the world. And then there's also a section on there that will walk you through how to create your own seed library. They have a form to fill out, and then you have access to, it says 800 seed lending libraries around the country and the world.